Cut that one.
Oh, be careful now.
I can down here lick a tree, man.
Okay, let's go on the other one. Hello, 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 Chai. Mga angels mo. There's more. Mm.
Sure.
Oh, the really good one over here.
Over here. It came here right back there and I got it. See, I can see. So these ones don't have any white stuff, right?
Okay?
Yeah, don't eat that one.
Yeah, you die.
Okay. Mother sun. Na, nakita mo ng straw doon? Dahan-dahan! Look where you're going! Diyos mio. Eh, walang tubig. Ang tamis ng doon na. Yung strawberry doon sa gilid, red na. Okay na yung manaputol dyan. Yung ulo niya, mag-spread naman. Your leg is bruised, anak? How come? No, daddy's just love you. You're taller as daddy. Oh my goodness, you're just 10. Yeah. Where? Oh, is that it? Those are the hole? Oh, wow. And that one too? Where's that?
Hey, the squirrels could live in this one. Big one. They're not under my bed.
Oh, that squirrel's good.
Oh, Julian, you have to water this plant for grandma.
Okay.
Grandma waters it.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh,
did
okay.
Grandma already get this?
See, she doesn't want you to.
Bro, they have some strawberries back here.
Oh boy, Joe, we'll have to mow again Friday.
Oh, ang daming lettuce, guys. Oh, oh. Oh, why you get that? Ayan, cabbage.
Look at this huge one.
Aba, laki ng cabbage mo, mother, ah.
Oh, she's here.
Let's grab. Oh, you can eat the cabbage here. Huh? Oh, that's good cabbage.
I pulled my ankle.
Here you go, Han. Honey. Han.
For your eyesight.
Han. Ayan, guys. May cabbage si mother.
Oh, look, here's another one.
Oh, wow. Oh. Slow down.
Mom, wait. Why did you find? They're so big. I was just
You can have this one. This one, Julien. Eat this one. Here. Hey.
What's that, broccoli?
Yeah.
Wait, she grows broccoli?
Yeah.